I didn't start investing because I felt confident. I started because I had to. And I think that's true for more women than we admit because most of us were taught to be responsible with money, save it, budget it, be careful, don't mess it up. And honestly, we really got good at that. But we weren't really taught how to grow our money. No one sat us down and explained that part. And that gap between being responsible and actually building something, it matters. Because I talk to so many women who are doing everything right. They're working, paying bills, trying to make good choices, and still feel stuck. Still feeling like, why does this feel so hard if I'm doing what I'm supposed to? Savings is important. It's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying it's not. Savings are what makes you feel safe, but that part no one explains early on because savings is not enough anymore. Let me say that again. Savings alone isn't enough anymore. Inflation slowly eats away at it. Time matters more than how much you start with. And waiting feels responsible, but long term, waiting actually costs you more. Savings protects your money, investing helps grow it. And those two things are meant to work together. This is why beginners, especially beginners, need to start. Not because you're behind, not because you missed your chance, but because it's time. And time is your biggest advantage. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to be an expert. And you definitely don't need to feel confident yet. Confidence comes after it. Just start. It doesn't come before. What some what stops some women isn't intelligence. It's emotion. It's the fear of making the wrong move, feeling like you're behind, the pressure of, I really don't want to mess this up. And that's another one I did. And honestly, that makes sense. Most women don't avoid investing because they're incapable. They avoid it because no one made it feel safe to learn. No one normalized being new, and no one said it's okay to be messy. It's okay to start messy. Here's the shift that helped me. Investing isn't about being aggressive. It's not about risk taking for the sake of risk taking. It's about giving your future self options. It's about choices. And with choices, this is how things work. And a choice, you have choices on how you rest, you have choices on how you handle life and when things change. And you deserve that. You deserve making your own choices. If you're brand new and all of this feels overwhelming, I have a beginner mini guide that explains investing terms simply without the jargon. It's a calm place to start. You don't have to do everything. And you just need to take one step at a time. And I'm on a journey to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. It's not going to be perfect, but that's why it's called a journey. I'll make changes as I see fit, just like I have choices, you have choices. So in the comments, just let me know, what journey are you going on? Or if you're new to investing, just let me know. I'm starting. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.